Area is warming up nice and...
As you know, anytime we meet, this game is very tension. Even back home, Ghana, Nigeria is a tension game, you know.
Yeah. Team Nigeria, what's normally the inspiration behind your jersey?
Creativity.
Creativity. What's the green patches meaning and white?
No, you know, it represents the Nigerian flag.
Nigerian flag.
Emblem. You know, we're a cultural country, and we also have a lot of tropical rainforests.
Okay, so walk towards the center of the pitch. Shakira's song. Handshake.
Hey, what a day, what a day, what a day.
Handshake.
Good luck, guys. Good luck, Al-Hassan. Good luck. Good luck, Mohammed. Good luck. Good luck, Imani.
Nice, nice. All right.
All right, touch it here, please. Finish. All right, guys. I'm Salif. I'm Salif and it's Hassan. We're going to be to officiate this game. We expect you guys an engaged but friendly game from both sides. Try, no matter what's happened, only you two are allowed to talk to us in a good way, right? Try to make the tunes down. Let's talk to each other.
Victory! So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the match between Ghana and Nigeria. Ghana starting with Richard to Stana. Stana pulls a long one. And Sani, number one goalkeeper for Team Nigeria, starting with Baba. Baba to Tariq. Tariq to Ruben, grabbed by Totti again. Totti with the ball. Nice play from Totti. And Totti goes down. Okay, one player goes to change the boot. Totti, high boot. Two players go down. Totti and Baba. Two players go down. Baba and Totti. Okay, one player goes to change the boot. Totti, high boot. For Totti, a mistake right here, well grabbed by the goalkeeper. Richard again, Richard goes down. Stana pulls a long one, well blocked. Oh my goodness, that was an opportunity. Opportunity for Nigeria, pulls a long one, goes over the bar. Cleared by Baba to Ruben. Totti again. Totti with the ball. And it's gonna be a foul for Team Ghana. Stana pulls a long one, goes over the bar. Nigeria, Vini, an opportunity. Oh my goodness. Lucius, number 7, failed to get the right grip to make an early lead. Lucius, he will regret this. Oh my Lucius. Nigeria, Vini, an opportunity. Oh my goodness. Tariq pulls a long one, goes over the bar. Nice impression from Tariq Puts a long one. Goes over the bar. Nice impression from Tariq. Richard looking for Lucius. Lucius with the ball. Lucius. It's going to be a foul for team. Foul for team Ghana. All right. Totti looking for Stana. Well headed, and it's a goal! 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 Goal! Stana for team Ghana. Stana, well headed by Stana. The fans going crazy right there. Foul for team Ghana. All right. Totti looking for Stana. Well headed, and it's a goal! It's a goal! Number one goalkeeper for Team Nigeria puts a long one. It's gonna be a corner. Ghana trying to make a mistake. It slits over the head of Stana, and Nigeria getting the corner kick. James with the corner kick puts a long one. An opportunity headed, goes over the bar. It's gonna be a goal kick for Team Ghana. Entertained. James puts a long one, goes over the bar, and the first half comes to a completion. Nigeria 0, Ghana 1. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second half of the Africa Cup of Nations between Nigeria trying to make an ambush even before I make a proper introduction for the second half. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second half of the match between Nigeria and Ghana. Ghana leading 1-0. For Sani with the ball. Sani again. Sani with the ball. Nice control from Sani. Sani shoots and goes out.
Nice one, Sonny. Nice one.
Nice impression from Sani. He considered the goal at the goalkeeper. He's trying to make an impression to make up to the first half goal. Sani puts a long one, goes over the bar. Kamara. One player goes down. Again, Richard looking for Totti. Puts a long one. It's gonna be a con. Shoots. Nice impression, but not enough.
And this ball over there, you so far from me, then you want to say it's outside.
No, please, it's not time. It's not time. to say? Why now?
Hey, Sonny, wait. I can't talk to him. I can do that? Okay. Yeah, the time is stop. Why you should worry about the time when I can stop it? Yellow for Nigeria number. What is that?
Yeah,
but his skipper is complaining and you are giving me that. Our skipper was telling you his time.
And that doesn't mean I'm not taking record.
Oh, he's a skipper.
Me, I'm taking record. It doesn't mean because...
Well, the ball continues. Richard, Robinho pulls a long one, goes over the bar.
Okay.
Nigeria, Vini again, Vini with the ball, Vini shoots, well blocked by Stana. It's gonna be a goal, well contested.
Are you okay, player number 32?
Corner, Baba misses it, shoots, goes over the bar. It's gonna be a goal kick in diversity. Tariq puts a long one, looking for, well-headed, grabbed by the keeper. Totti. It's gonna be a throw ball. Looking for Vini.
What? Are you touching?
Foul for team Nigeria. James taking charge of the foul.
Yes. Johnson. Yes.
James looking for Tariq. It's going to be a goal kick for team. James taking charge.
Not recording. We don't need
I didn't see it.
We will.
Listen.
We are not using. It's right.
Yeah, a punch has been thrown.
So listen.
Yes, bro.
That's why I'm asking the camera.
I want to give the card now. What's record? We check.
Yeah. Did you see? You see?
Yes.
What's happened?
No, but it's just a foul.
You gave yellow, right?
Yeah,
that's enough.
Yeah,
right, we stick to that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right, the yellow card stand, and then we keep playing.
All right.
So now, I was talking about
Our time.
25 from the start. So you say that extra time 3 minutes, but I think that years already passed.
Yeah.
We are already 30 minutes. So we give 1 point.
Yeah.
But they are still too much.
Huh? Yeah, because you already started.
Nigeria puts a long one. Oh my goodness, that was amazing from James. Almost snatching a nice impression from James. Oh my goodness, that could be a very beautiful goal from James. Yeah.
We are already 30 minutes. So we give 1 point.
Yeah.
But they are still too much.
Huh? Yeah, because you already started.
Nigeria puts a long one. Oh my goodness, that was amazing from James. Almost snatching almost snatching a nice impression from James. Oh my goodness, that could be a very beautiful goal from James. Vinny, nice contest. It's gonna be a throw ball. And the ball comes to an end. Nice game, nice game. Nice game. Coach, in 30 seconds, what just happened? In 30 seconds.
We're going to win our last.
You tell me, I tell you something today. So tell me in 30 seconds.
No problem. I'm going to tell you in our next match.
Okay. But
that's football.
That's the team spirit.
That's football.
That's the team spirit. All right. Come on. Hey, Stana, interview. Who's your captain? Vinny. Go there.
Go interview him.
Come. Stana, man of the match. Come. Interview. Yeah, interview. Hey, nice one.
See, it's a red card.
Yeah, the punch was thrown. I was wondering.
Did you see?
I saw.
It's red card.
Yeah, I saw.